Let me see, sure.
I can see clearly now the rain is gone.
No, it's not that bad. Ooh, let's see your bra. Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is BLINDFOLD if you already don't know, and yes, some people call me Shante. So today is not business as usual. We're going to be doing something a little bit different, and so because of that, I have a guest here. I'll let her go ahead and introduce herself.
Hi guys, my name is Hawa. That's all. You think it's everybody that has one of those intros?
Like,
hi guys,
I give you time to shine.
I know.
You couldn't even shine.
Hi guys, my name is Hawa. My name is Hawa Ibrahim. For those of you that don't know, I'm from the Nubian way. If you don't know, and I make YouTube videos as well.
Yeah, she does, and I'm going to have our YouTube channel linked down below. So as you're subscribing to me, make sure you subscribe to hers. We made a video on the channel as well, and it was really fun.
Yeah, it was a mess, honestly, but you should check it out.
It was really fun. It was a challenge as well, and we're going to be doing another challenge today. Okay. So
I'm going to be slaying her face.
Yeah, blindfolded, right?
I'm sure she'll come out looking fleeky, you know.
I have to look fleek, oh. I have to look fleek. Don't want to spoil your market.
Right.
We did the 5 minutes makeup challenge on our channel, and it was so much.
You know what? I don't want to give you guys
your girl went on to beat down.
Why are you telling them everything? Let them go.
I have to tell them. They have to be proud of me.
You guys
find out. Go find out, and then you let me know if I did great, if she did great, who won, and all of that. Like on a scale of 0 to 10, you score us. Yeah, just as you score her today. So I have this very thick socks here. Like I have one leg. Where is it? So I have this pair of socks, quite thick. I didn't trust her enough to use a scarf because she might just be seeing through it. Yes, the reason why I didn't take on the challenge to be the one to be blindfolded and then do the makeup is because I cannot afford to fail. So I chickened out. And she was like, "Bring it on, I can do it." And I'm like, "Okay." So
I'm here for some, entertainment.
Blindfold her. She's gonna ask me what she needs for my makeup, and I'm going to hand them over to her, and then she's gonna be slaying my face. Okay. So let's go.
Let's do this.
Is it tight?
It's fine.
Should I leave it tighter?
Abba, you Abba!
Can you breathe?
Yeah, me see.
Can you breathe? Just tell me you can breathe. Let me tighten it.
It's okay.
You are criminals in Nigeria. You can't
just stay. As in, who does this?
Here is my face.
Okay.
Go ahead and slay.
What do you mean? Hi guys, wish me luck.
So this is my beauty sponge. It's dirty. That's because you just filmed the video and I used it. And this is my foundation.
Where's the part that you normally use? This part?
Yeah, I use this part for my foundation.
Is that enough?
I don't know.
Girl, where's your face?
Right here. Right here. Right in your face.
This is going to be so much fun. I'm going to put foundation all over your hair.
Just close my eyes and close my mouth.
Am I doing something?
Yeah, you're doing something.
Girl, you're tripping. What am I doing? Where's this? Okay.
My forehead.
Have I even done anything on your forehead?
On the sides of my face.
The ears here?
Yeah.
How come your face here? Your face used to be tiny. How come now? How come now big all of a sudden? Is there foundation still on my hand? You could tell me that.
Yeah.
There's still foundation.
Not anymore.
Girl, she should be the one doing this. It's hard. It's hard.
Oh, please don't put foundation in my mouth.
Sorry. You should be the one doing this. This is your channel, first bitch. Okay, I think I've done concealer.
Let's see what she's done. Well, you're not doing badly.
Not so bad, right? I'm so proud.
Concealer, yeah. Okay, so here's the concealer. Just go ahead and do it. Are you sure? Can you touch my face first so that you don't choke concealer in my eye? Can you feel my eyes? You're putting concealer on my cheeks.
It's not your cheek.
It's not my eye.
Yeah, sorry. Did I do this one right?
Jesus.
Girl,
go ahead.
You are going to be so.
Please don't waste my concealer.
You are going to be so slayed by time.
Girl, slay my face like never before. Go ahead.
Is this your forehead?
Yes, that's my forehead, but that's way too high.
Okay.
Yeah, you might want to stay there.
Did I even get this right? I don't want to use too much of your concealer. This is like your darling concealer.
My darling, no. That's my nose.
This your nose?
Like.
Girl, I'm just gonna do shit like whatever. We'll blend it all together. This is why I put the foundation, the concealer.
Yeah.
You know what? Just, go with the flow. You gotta trust the process. You know, this is gonna come out slayed, you guys. I promise. You just trust me.
I believe you.
Yo, you wanna cover your mouth? I'm gonna choke this thing out. You know, I'm blending hard here.
Okay.
This is no joke.
She's blending.
Take shit seriously here.
She's blending. Just that she's blending all the wrong places.
Where did I put the concealer?
Put it all over my face in shots.
Okay, let me just blend the whole of your face then. Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay.
Is it bad?
Fair. The concealers are placed in the wrong places, so there's really no magic you can perform right now. Okay. But you're not doing badly. I don't look a mess. I'm sure you'll be proud of yourself.
I don't look mess. You guys, she's probably just teasing me. She probably looks a mess already.
Well, she doesn't believe me, but
okay.
You guys
next,
because I don't want to waste my powder, I'm just going to pour a little on the cover of the powder and give it to her in a brush so that she doesn't pop out all over the whole place, because that one I can't live with it. So do you?
Okay, there you go. Take out the brush.
Yeah, so that makes it easier for you.
I don't want to poke your eye. Girl, I'm trying to be careful.
Feel free.
Yes. Girl, we're just gonna go with this. Go with the flow. We're making shit right now. I'm gonna cover your mouth because I'm about to bake your lips. So, let's do powder in this thing. Let's just powder your whole face, because you know, powder too much. Just want to set. You guys, I'm just trying to set the whole face now. Trying to explain what I'm doing. She's probably teasing right now. She's probably teasing. I can feel it. We done. I think I'm done.
And you want to go with the face powder so you can just go over the face?
Yes. Is that what you normally do?
Yeah. So here's the powder. It's a compact powder. So you just
everything. So that's probably dusting your whole head. I'm so fun in this life. Let's just trust the process. Trust the process, guys. Yes. Yes. She slayed. Let's get your Yes, honey, you slay. Snatch to the guts.
Yeah. So this is my CoverGirl Ebony Cream Bronzer.
Cream bronzer.
No, not the cream one, the normal one, and then that's my brush.
Girl, you don't want to do rough that. You want to put that in the right spot.
Yeah, you want to.
Just chisels.
Yeah.
Smile. Okay, exactly. Yeah, I got that. That's it. Stay like that. Make sure you maintain that position. Is that it? Yeah. That's it. Okay. Since your forehead. Okay, we gotta get the perimeters of the forehead. And then your jawline. We gotta chisel that. Chisel that right. Yeah. Perfect. Now let's blend it a little. Still stay like that. Okay. You wanna blend this right. I think I'm done. Blend it for real.
This is my it's the BMO brow power. So I just brought out a little bit for you to manage. Make sure you can be alright.
Oh, you got any brows?
Like, look at me with all these brows.
What kind of brows? I'm gonna get the cheek, like the arch, right?
Yeah. Get it, girl.
Then you gotta flick it up a bit.
Oh my lord.
Next, turn the other eye. That eye is flicked already. Stop delaying the flick process.
Leg to the god.
Yes. You guys see what I did there?
I need to just look at this again.
Wow.
You're looking good.
I can feel it. I can feel it. You look
really young. She's doing great things right here. Jesus couldn't even do this. They just good.
Maybe mascara. You want to do mascara? You want me to pluck out your eye? What else you do there?
So she's gonna try to put some highlighter on my face.
Side cheekbone. Okay. Yes, honey. Is it glowing?
Oh my god, like the sun ain't got nothing on me right now.
Smile, you smiling? Yes, let's get your chin. A little bit on the chin. Where's your mouth, girl? You got mouth? Okay, good. You want to spray like a setting spray?
No,
I think you should put a setting spray so that everything can just run together.
No, we're done. Can you touch my lips so you don't get my lip?
Yeah. I touch your lips. Yeah. I am wrong. Are you good? Okay. Smack the lips. Make it rhyme.
I'm smacked, baby.
Yes.
Do you want to put some spray?
Yes, let's spray your face so that you gotta, add like a little bit of, setting spray there. Spray the whole face. Yes, honey, get in there. Yes.
Spray everything else but my face.
Oh, really?
She sprayed everything else on my face. So, are you ready to see the work of art you just did on my face?
Yes, honey, I am. I slayed it.
Okay.
You can't tell me nothing. I slay the face.
Oh, this is really tight.
Has it actually did?
Actually really tight.
What the hell? Girl, I ain't no rubber. Oh, jeez. You're a bad friend. Oh, shit. That shit was really black out. Like, I'm not even ready to see your glow yet. Like, I just don't want to, go in there. Oh, shit. She's glowing. I can see clearly.
Rate yourself, score yourself on a scale.
Well, your brow seems slayed. I like the glow though.
Okay. It looks like it was slapped on my face.
But the blending is
the blendation.
The blendation of the foundation.
That wasn't bad actually.
Wasn't bad. You get it? And I didn't do so bad with the concealer. You told me I was doing a bad job. The brows are horrible though, honestly. Besides that, I think
You're good.
I think I'm good. The brows are what kills it. The glow, I went in and dug in with the glow. You just have to glow for the god. They have to see you from like a mile away. From like, you have to be like that's Lekki and they should be seeing you from like Ikate.
So if you go out on a regular day and you see me looking like this,
girl, I'll be like, yo, girl, you glowing. Where'd you get my glow from? Because I need to get it.
Well, anyway, guys, so this is what she did on your girl's face.
I did.
This is what she did.
I tried.
She bit my face. She bit my face.
I tried. I was blindfolded. Bear in mind, I was blindfolded, and I still blended just fine. And she's glowing to the gods. Like, look at this beautiful girl. Tell me she ain't glowing right now. You guys tell me that. You can't tell me nothing. She's glowing.
Okay, that's it from us today. I hope you enjoyed this. Look, I hope you learned a thing or two from my makeup that you can apply in your makeup routine.
Hopefully not.
I hope
okay.
Not. Anyways, that's it from us today. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel. She's called the Nubian Way or the Nubian Way. The Nubian Way. And I remain Oluwayemisi Shante. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let us know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. We'll be there to respond to all your comments. We'll be there to interact with you guys.
Okay.
It was fun filming this look and I hope you had fun watching it.
I had fun.
Yeah. Until next time.
Bye guys.